Excuse me. How often are we available for emergency services?
Anytime, 24/7.
24 hours, 7 days a week.
24/7.
We are available 24/7, 365 days of the year. We are never sleeping. We're always going.
Our phone lines are always open. Call whenever you need us.
24/7.
24/7.
24/7.
24/7.
How often are we available for emergency services?
24/7, 365.
365?
365.
We'll be there, baby. I'll be around.